Uh, get some new information, Bain. The Storm Prediction Center updating their severe weather risk for the second half of the weekend. This is Sunday, and that level 3 zone got considerably larger. Look at how sprawling that is from the Ohio Valley, the middle Mississippi, all the way down through the lower Mississippi, both sides of it, from Texas over to northern Alabama up to Indianapolis. This includes, just in this level 3 zone, you see a lot of big cities are included in that. About 18 million people are facing that level 3 risk again. And in total, 100 million Americans, over 100 million, facing at least some level of severe weather threat into the second half of the weekend. So in a month where this severe weather has been early and often, it won't quit, we got more of it into the second half of the weekend, and most certainly into the early part of next week as this powerful storm finds its way to the East Coast. So here we go. Big dip in the jet stream. This is through Sunday evening. That's fueling the intensity of the overall storm system. And it's also going to allow the strong storms that develop along this front to mix down some of the strong winds from aloft down to the surface. And that's what the Storm Prediction Center has been most adamant about with this. Those are winds at 5,000 feet. Any of these winds could be mixed down easily by the stronger storms. They've been most adamant about this being at least the potential for a widespread damaging wind event. Yes, a few tornadoes are possible. Setup looks a bit different, though, as compared to the, I guess you could say, 2 outbreaks of severe weather that we've had already in the month of March. This looks like a sprawling wind event. There's moisture to work with out ahead of it, but you can see behind that front, it's dry Arctic air, and it's going to get a whole lot colder. You'll see that with our Fox weather forecast. Sunday night, those storms are moving in. You've got thunderstorms. Then Nashville drops into the mid-30s. Monday, that same strong front finds its way to the I-95 corridor and the eastern seaboard. Level 3 threat that's up around D.C. and Baltimore, down to about Wilmington. But the level 2 zone, call it from Philly to Charleston, almost down to Savannah. A lot of folks are facing the potential for damaging wind gusts and a few tornadoes once again come Monday. That says, folks, try to unplug over the weekend, get back to work. This is going to be a weekend where you got to stick with us, or at least check in on Fox Weather as we dial in this forecast, because this isn't just high impact, it's some dangerous weather to take us into the early part of next week. You see that with the forecast. 67 in Washington, 73 in Charleston, until that front sweeps through. And then, man, it's another big switch up with a temperature drop of, call it 30 degrees again, maybe 30 degrees plus, as those winds whip up as that strong front approaches and moves through.